Hello, LEGO art fans. Want to create a custom design, but do not want to spend hours physically placing different colors? Well, here is the LEGO Art Designer. All right, the different features we have is you can select a different palette of all the different sets that exist. You have the 9 panels of the LEGO art. You can select a design, a pre-created design. You can export and import different designs once you've actually created them. And you have the required parts will tell you how many of each part that exists. All right. Now let's go into depth of each of this. Each Lego set has a certain set of colors. With that, you need to have select the different palette of the set that you have. So you click down on the drop down menu, and you select the set that you have. I preferably like the Iron Man's palette because that's the set that I have. All right, so from here, you actually can click a different color that you want. It's pretty cool. All right, next, you have your 9 panels of your Lego art. Let's start designing, design really quickly. And you just click on the little thing, little piece, little parts, and you can create your design. And as you see, when there's no color in there, it says none. And as you hover over, you have the different color that you have. All right, there we go. We have a one design. So as we come down to the required parts, as you see, it's counted up 30 red parts. Let's say you don't like to see this design with the 9 panels. You click on the panel 1 or whatever panel number it is, and it brings up a zoomed in feature, so you can actually be easier to click and design. Here you go. Click back to exit out of the single panel view. There we go. All right, let's clear this. Clears all. All right, the next feature that we'll go into depth on is the load designs, the preloaded designs. So click on, you just select one from the drop down menu and it loads it all. As you see, it has every single color pre-loaded in. And it also will preload the palette that that design actually has, which is a really cool feature. All right, let's look at some of the others. Most of these are the Lego designs. Well, there are also some custom designs in here. This is a Lego design right here of the Iron Man. All right, let's actually look at a custom design that I created using the Hogwarts crest. As you see, this is the custom design for the Hogwarts crest. All right, and let's look at some of the other ones. Let's see, it looks like Batman. Batman's always cool. Ah, there's Batman, he's staring at you. And we have the different art project set. And there's one of the things with Benny the spaceman. All right. Let's go to the next feature of this, where you can actually export this design if you create one and send it to one of your friends. So you just click the export design, click the download link, and it will download the design right there. All right. Let's clear all this. All right, let's actually import the design that we just exported, right like that, and we'll import this design. As you see, it imports the design very nicely. The one thing it doesn't do, it doesn't pick up the palette because, well, an imported design is your custom design, so you have to figure it out yourself. But it will load all the different colors that you have used. And as you see with this particular set, it has all the different colors that you actually use in this. So and it counts it all up. So you actually can go back and when you're actually using it, you actually see where it is. And with the heightened design, the zoomed in design, you're able to actually see exactly what everything is and where. All right. That's the basics of the Lego Art Designer. Now, you're wondering, how do I get this cool app? Well, you're going to go over to my GitHub at typem dot or the github.com/cattypem/Lego Art Designer /releases. Make sure to get the latest release. This currently release that you're seeing is version 1.8.0. So from there, that's pretty good. And how you actually do it, you download all the files in this, all the assets right here in this list, and then into a folder on your desktop of your computer. Then you grab this index file and you open that in a browser and you happy clicking. And then you can design from there. Okay, the next thing. Well, I hope this app helps everyone with they're creating their Lego designs and happy bricklaying. And also one more thing. This project is not affiliated with the Lego group. So Lego, please don't sue me. I love you. All right. Um, that's it for right now. Enjoy designing with the Lego app, the Lego Art Designer.